Hello everyone, it's Mike from Wondershare Recoverit, a professional data recovery tool. Welcome back to our channel. If your MacBook or iMac is restarting rapidly without any prior warning, then this is the video for you. Today, we'll walk you through some of the different solutions to fix the random restart issue that could be happening on your Mac so that you can use your device without any interruptions. Before starting with today's video, make sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. First, it's necessary to understand why Apple computers keep restarting. In general, several factors can cause a Mac to restart repeatedly. These factors usually include your MacBook or iMac is running an outdated version of macOS, you've connected up a corrupted or damaged USB drives to your MacBook or iMac, you've recently installed a third-party application from an untrusted source, or there are startup errors that are causing a MacBook to restart repeatedly. After knowing why your Mac keeps restarting on its own, let's discuss the solutions that will help you fix the problem. First and foremost, start by installing the latest macOS updates on your device. In the majority of cases, the repeated restart issue is triggered by an outdated macOS version. So if you've missed any macOS updates, make sure to install them and you won't be dealing with the problem anymore. While installing the updates, however, your device may restart a few times. If this happens, don't panic, as this is just part of the process. If it doesn't work, however, you can try to update or remove third-party software. As we mentioned earlier, faulty third-party applications can cause a MacBook to restart randomly. This usually happens when a third-party application causes macOS to run into a kernel panic. If this is the case, go ahead and update the faulty application to the latest version. But if this doesn't work, simply uninstall the application from your device and install a stable alternative. If your MacBook restarted on its own after connecting a peripheral, you can remove the peripherals to see if that works. If your MacBook started restarting on its own after you connected a peripheral, it might be the root cause of your problem. In this situation, simply remove the connected device and your MacBook will no longer restart on its own. In case you are not sure which peripheral device is causing the error, disconnect all of the USB drives from your Mac to start with to fix the problem. Then connect each drive and device one by one until you find out which device is causing the issue and then replace it or fix it. If your MacBook still keeps restarting on its own, the next step would be to disable any unnecessary startup applications. When there are too many startup apps, this may cause macOS to run into a kernel panic. So to troubleshoot the problem in this situation, you'll need to disable the unnecessary startup items. Tap the Apple menu and click System Preferences. Then click Users and Accounts and choose your primary account from the list. Then switch to the login items and you'll see a list of all the startup items. Browse through the list and select the startup items that you want to disable. Finally, tap the minus button to remove the selected startup items from your list. Now manually restart your system and you'll no longer have to deal with the sudden restart error. If this doesn't solve the random restart issue on your MacBook or iMac, then the next solution is to reset the NVRAM or PRAM. So NVRAM and PRAM are types of non-volatile memories that are used to store a few MacBook settings so that your system can access them easily. However, sometimes third-party apps can manipulate these settings, which eventually causes the device to enter into a kernel panic, causing the restart issue. In this situation, the only way to fix the issue would be to reset the NVRAM or PRAM. First of all, shut down your Mac. Then press the power button and immediately press and hold the Option, Command, P and R keys together. Release these keys after 20 seconds and let the device reboot again. This will reset the NVRAM or PRAM on your device and it won't hopefully restart unexpectedly again. If none of the previous solutions work, then try to reinstall macOS on your system. When reinstalling macOS, keep in mind that this will also delete all of your data, so it would be better to create a backup first. Here's how to reinstall macOS from scratch. Shut down your system and press and hold the power button until you see the startup window on your screen. Here, tap the settings icon and then click continue. You'll see different startup options on your screen. Select reinstall macOS from the list and click continue to proceed further. You might have to follow a few additional instructions to complete the process. Make sure to follow them carefully and reset your device again. That's it, your Mac will no longer restart unexpectedly. Before concluding the video, we would like to also point out that you may also lose your valuable data during the unexpected restart issue. If this happens, you can use Wondershare Recoverit to retrieve lost files. It's a professional data recovery tool for macOS that's designed to help users retrieve deleted files on their system. It doesn't matter if you've deleted the files accidentally or whether they were lost due to a technical glitch. Recoverit will help you get back all of the lost data without any hassle. The tool supports multiple file formats, which means you can use it to recover different types of files on your Mac. Let's take a look at how to recover lost files on a MacBook or iMac using Recoverit. First of all, install Recoverit on your Mac and launch the application to get started. On the home screen, choose the location where you have deleted the files and then click Start. Recoverit will start scanning the selected drive for those deleted files. The process will only take a few minutes to complete, depending obviously on the size of your drive. Meanwhile, if you've already found the files that you want to recover, then you can stop the process here. Now select the files that you want to restore. If you want, you can also see a preview by clicking the preview button on the right menu bar. Finally, click Recover at the bottom right-hand corner to restore the selected files on your Mac. And that's how you can recover lost files using Wondershare Recoverit. So that's a wrap on today's video. If today's video has helped you fix your Mac keeps restarting issue, then make sure to drop us a like and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this, then you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Anyway, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.